Hello and welcome to the Project Synergy video tutorial series. In this video, we are going to walk through how to manage request for quotes, or RFQs, in the Project Synergy Supplier Portal, or PSSP. This tutorial includes instruction on how to search for RFQs in the database, gather information on specific RFQs, enter required data on specific RFQs to meet customer needs, and export RFQs to PDF documents. To begin work on RFQs, first access the RFQ page by clicking on the header in the left-hand column of the PS Supplier portal. When first viewing the page, you should see a list of RFQs sent to you by your customer. PSSP helps you organize your incoming RFQs with statuses, ranging from new to draft to complete. To edit or respond to a specific RFQ, click on its number in the list. A new page will show up with details about the RFQ. Within this page is a section on the basic information about the RFQ and subsequent sections about the part numbers discussed in the RFQ. In each of the part number sections, suppliers can edit information outlined in green. This information typically details cost, discounts, and delivery times. Keep in mind that the fields on RFQ forms available for editing and viewing depend on what fields the customer approved when creating the RFQ. For example, one RFQ may ask for a unit price, while others may also ask for setup cost and fixture cost. The Pulse internal and external discussion bars on the right-hand side can be used to communicate with customer contacts on specific RFQs. Comments you post on the Pulse internal discussion can only be seen by your colleagues. If you have other departments or users involved in decision-making, they can be invited to collaborate in your discussion space on PSSP. Comments posted on the external discussion can be seen by colleagues as well as customers involved with the RFQ. This tool is useful for communicating information about the RFQ in real time and staying up to date on any issues that arise. Once the details of an RFQ are to your liking, you can save the RFQ to work on it later or submit the RFQ to the customer. The workflow options available to you change depending on where you are in the RFQ process and whether the RFQ has already been submitted to a customer. For completed RFQs, you have the options of sending a request to recall the RFQ to the customer and/or exporting the RFQ to PDF. You can use the recall option to correct information on an already sent RFQ and then resubmit it to your customer. To begin the resubmission process, first select the Recall Quote option on a completed RFQ. The customer who made that RFQ will then receive a notification asking them whether or not they approve of the recall. If the customer approves your request to recall the quote, you can then click Update Quote and edit the same information you would be able to with a draft RFQ. Once you have edited the recalled RFQ to your liking, you can resubmit it to the customer. RFQs might become difficult to navigate as more and more are created. To help with this, you can use the Advanced Search option on the main RFQ page. Advanced Search allows you to search for RFQs based on number, status, requester, program, title, and due date. In addition to these parameters, you can also save and share your searches for quick reference. To save a search, type in the parameters you would like to search for, then click the Save As button. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have further questions about managing RFQs on the PS Supplier portal, refer to the PSSP user guide or click on the question mark icons located throughout the portal.